Meow. So this is just a quick little gesture sketch. Perfect for learning. Just quickly mapping out my kitty here, and this is on double speed too. Just want to get that basic shape in. Really feeling things out as I go. Trusting my intuition lots. There's that hip and tail. And all of these extra lines end up just becoming background tone in the end. There's that first paw. There's another paw. And I don't worry about crossover here because I don't want to interrupt my flow. So again, the crossover lines end up becoming background tone. We have a cat drawing art workshop Facebook group, and we'd love to have you join if you truly are passionate about drawing cats. You'll find the link for that in the video description below, along with some other handy links. Really felt out that smile, that upside down smile. Oh, wasn't quite happy with it. There we go. Now I'm really trying to strengthen up the lines that I like. And this is a focal point here. Just getting the shape of that jowl there to make sure everything lines up. And a cute little nosy. Feeling out where I want that eye to go. That just suggestion of a sleeping eye. This is the area that I really want to play up. Hint of hair, fur. I'm just going to help that head stand out a bit by putting some shading in there. It's a shadow where the cat's laying on the floor with the blanket between the kitty and the floor, I guess. Just going to extend that tail. Even though we don't see it in the photo, I want that tail to draw the eye back up towards that lovely face. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's what makes this channel tick, and we would be happy to have you help us grow our community. So hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you'll be notified and become part of our community. Just a suggestion of hair around the ears, and still working on playing up that little smirk. I'm going to speed things up to 4 times the speed in just a second here. And we'll finish up this sketch. Just a hint of tabby stripes. I don't go exactly by what I see, I just go by what feels right. Because I like to simplify the cat's coat pattern. We don't need too much information. Now I'm going to kind of try to add a little bit of a tooth showing there. That didn't work that well, so we'll try it again. I think what I did was I covered up too much. I don't know if you can see that tooth or not there. Just going to add that blanket in here. Suggestion of toes. I was fussing with these legs here because I think I got the back legs pretty short looking. So that's just something to keep in mind for next time. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. There's lots more to come, and I hope to see you again next time. Be sure to join the group, subscribe to the channel, and meow for now.